Most people can't wait to get back to normal activities following their knee replacement surgery. However, rehabilitation is an important process and should never be rushed. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the best ways to recover after a knee replacement. I'm Mr. Shahid Punwar, consultant orthopaedic surgeon at Shirley Oaks Hospital in Croydon, and I've been treating patients with knee problems for over 10 years. So I have a lot of experience helping people recover properly from knee replacement surgery. What is the fastest way to recover from knee replacement surgery? Recovering from knee replacement surgery takes time and looks different for everyone. Taking the time to be gentle with yourself and follow a tailored recovery program can help you get better faster. How do exercises help recovery following knee replacement surgery? Suitable exercise following knee replacement surgery, if done correctly, can help build strength, flexibility and give you a better result. If you're looking for specific exercises for knee replacement recovery, we have other videos on this channel for you to watch. Your physiotherapist will prescribe exercises which are safe for you to perform. They will see you before and after surgery and explain how to use crutches and reduce swelling. No two people are the same, so it's important to work with your physiotherapist to build a tailored plan that works for you. In general, regular musculoskeletal exercise will improve your mobility and strengthen the muscles in your knee to make it as flexible as possible. It also helps in building your confidence to move more freely. Everybody has their own capacity of how much and what exercise they can tolerate. It's always important to start gradually and progress in a stepwise fashion. Too fast too soon often leads to injury rather than improvement and recovery. What other activities can help you to recover from a knee replacement surgery? High impact activities like running and contact sports, which would include rugby and martial arts, are not generally recommended for anyone who's undergone a knee replacement. This is due to the increased risk of further injury, but there are certain sports and physical activities that are beneficial and can help you get fit again while you recover. These include walking. Walking is one of the best forms of exercise to engage in following a knee replacement and is a vital part of recovery from day one. At first, you may be walking with the aid of crutches or walking sticks, but progress should be quite rapid, and as your recovery progresses, you'll eventually be able to walk unaided. It's important to walk every day and aim to steadily increase the duration and distance. Always listen to your body, however, and rest is required. Swimming. Because swimming is not a weight-bearing form of exercise, it's a suitable type of activity following a knee replacement. However, you shouldn't begin swimming until your wound is fully healed, which is usually around 2 weeks after surgery. As always, start out slowly and take particular care with the higher impact strokes, making sure that whatever you're doing feels comfortable. Ensuring your movements are careful and controlled will prevent further injury. Cycling. This is also a popular sport to engage in after knee replacement because it's low impact. Cycling also engages and strengthens all the major leg muscles, including the quadriceps, as well as moving your knee through a full range of motion. At first, it would be helpful to begin on a stationary and stable exercise bike to build up the strength and endurance before cycling on the roads. Dancing. Sports or activities that put excessive pressure or twist the knee are generally advised against following knee replacement surgery, which means that fast-paced or strenuous dancing is likely to be unsuitable. But dancing classes such as ballroom style would be fine and would help build the strength and flexibility in your knee. These activities are all suitable to try following your knee replacement surgery, as long as your health professional agrees. But listen to your body, and if you try one of these activities and find it causes undue pain and discomfort, you can stop and discuss with your physiotherapist or consultant. What should you do if exercise hurts? Pain is an unpleasant physical and emotional experience and is unique to every individual. Understanding your pain levels can help. Managing this with painkillers in order to work through the exercises will be better for you in the longer term. Pain will begin to reduce as the tissues heal and you gain strength and stability. You'll gradually come off the painkillers and will hopefully be back doing some of the things you loved to do prior to surgery. So that's a brief guide to recovering from knee replacement surgery. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you would like to arrange a consultation with me or another consultant in your local area, you can give us a call or book an appointment at circlehealthgroup.co.uk.